Namaste. We will enter together in the sacred realm of Tantra. Tantra Yoga is a spiritual path, a path of intense energy, and it includes spiritual mysteries, traditional practices, but most of all, love. The core of Tantra is Dasha Mahavidya, and this means the 10 great wisdoms. And one of these wisdoms is Tripura Sundari. Tripura Sundari is pure intention of the divine, and also beauty and love in their essence. So in this workshop, you will have an authentic initiation in mantra of Tripura Sundari, and this will lead you to awaken in yourself the wisdom of pure intention, the wisdom of love, the wisdom of beauty. You will be able to recognize the beauty in everything, the divine in everything. And also we can love everything with our heart. Actually, this initiation will lead you to the spiritual heart, to the very essence of our being.